Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain you all the plugin functionality. So after installing plugin and clicking on this plugin title Blender's order sheet, you will see a page like this. Okay. So here you have to follow every step one by one. Okay, so here in step one you can see here we have to go in woocommerce, then settings, then advanced, then webhooks. Okay, and then we have to enter these details as it is shown in this step. So we can go in woocommerce. First of all, I will open one more tab of same site. Okay, so here I will go in woocommerce, then settings, as we can see here in step 1, and woocommerce, then setting, then advanced, then webhook. Okay, so here we will go, then advanced, then webhook, and then we have to create a new webhook. Okay, with following details like delivery URL. You have to enter https hook.blenders.media, and in topic you have to add order created, and in status you have to make it active, and in name you can enter any name whichever will be good to remember for yourself. Okay, so here you can create one webhook by clicking on add webhook. So I will not add a new webhook because as I have already added webhook with the same URL. Okay, so here you can enter any name like testing plugin or anything whatever you want, and you have to make status active, and topic should be order created, because whenever order will get created it will update it in your Google Sheet. And in delivery URL you have to copy the URL from here and enter it here, and rest things you have to keep it as it is. Okay, and click on save webhook so it will get updated. Okay, and now we have to follow step 2. So in step 2 you need to get a service credentials. Okay, or that will be created by Google APIs. So you have to go on a URL which I will post in the description of this video, which is this. Okay, so after coming here, you have to create a new project, or if you have any existing project, you can also use that project. But I will suggest you to create new project. So I will create a new project called Google Sheet. Okay, and you have to add one billing account. So it will not debit any amount from your account until you will not exceed your free usage. Okay, so I have already added my Bling account in which I have already added my credit card and all. So after selecting your project name and your Bling account, you have to click on just create, and it will create a service account for you. Okay, so it is creating one new project for your account. Okay, so see, it is created and also already selected. Okay, so here you have to click on Google Cloud Platform, like on the name of that, and you need to first take care of this thing that your Google Sheet has been selected here, your Google Sheet project. Okay, so after making sure that thing, you have to come at bottom. Okay, so here we will see a option of enabling APIs. So here it is, see, explore and enable APIs. You have to click on this, and then you have to click on here enable APIs and services. Here it will take you to the new URL or new dashboard. You have to search here Sheets. So after clicking on Google Sheet, you have to click on enable. Okay, so after enabling this, uh, you have to go again in service account link. or you can do that before as well as we were doing earlier. Okay, so not from here, we will see an option of service account. Okay, so here we have service account option. Uh, we need to click on create service account, and then we need to give a service account name like Google Sheets, and here description integrating Google service account. Okay, you can enter anything in this field and create and continue. You have to click on this. Select a role. Okay, you can leave these things optional because they are optionals. Okay, so here you will get an email ID. Okay, you need to copy it right now, or you can copy it later on as well. Okay, so you will click on that, and after clicking on that, you will get a key. Okay, so here you will click on create new key, and you will download that key as JSON. Oh, so I will certain out. Okay, so our key name is certain out something something. So here we will change the key name like anything you can say. Key for Google Sheets. Okay, and we will save it. And after that, we will close it. Or you can also perform this step like earlier also when we clicked firstly on service account link. So now I will go back in our APIs and service on dashboard. So here we can see this we have service account linked with this project. Okay, now I will go in Google Sheets which I already have created. So you can also create a empty Google Sheet. Okay, which will look like this and with empty data. Okay, what you have to do, just you have to copy this link. Okay, from here, see, from this slash to this slash. Okay, you have to copy this seat ID, and firstly you have to copy this email ID as well. So I will copy this email ID, and what I will do, I will click on share and share my seat with this mail ID. Okay, I have shared with that mail ID. So what it will do, it will share over this seat with this mail account. Okay, with this authentication account, you can say. So that we can manipulate your seat content here. Okay, and now you have to copy this seat ID, and now we can move on step 3. As you can see here, I have written here now create an empty Google Sheet. We have already done that. Share the seat with this service mail ID. We have already done that. And upload credentials dot JSON in next step. Okay, so and we have copied this seat ID, right? So now we will click on next, and we will enter our seat ID here. Okay, and we will also enter our key.json, and as soon as you will click on submit, it will first verify that your credentials.json is accurate and not or not, or your seat ID is also correct. Okay, and if it is correct, then it will show you pop up like activated plugin successfully. Okay, and now you can enjoy live updates in your Google Sheet. As soon as you will order, it will show here. Okay, so if you want to see an example, I can show it right now. First of all, we can also check by clicking again on plugin page or plugin dashboard. See, you will see here message like activated plugin successfully. Okay, and now what we will do, we will order something from our side. Okay, Now we will test by ordering a phone from our uh, site. Okay, because we have phones and watches only here. So I will going to click on add to cart, and then we will click on checkout, and we have already filled our details. So now we will click on place order. So as soon as we will click on place order, it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to update it in our Excel sheet or in our Google sheet. Okay, so till that time it is updating, we can check our another orders, or we can check our another products like watch. See, here it is updated in real time only. We can see each and every detail from here, right? Our order ID is 579, and rest of the things as well. Total is 17,999. Okay, so here in this video I have shown you each and everything in working state, and you can follow these steps to make your plugin in working state. Okay, thank you so much.